I'm Dr. Praveen Subudhi. I'm working in Ruby Eye Hospital, Berhampur, and I'm a cornea consultant. I've been working in Berhampur for last 8 years. On this occasion of World Sight Day, which we will be celebrating from 14th of October, we need to pledge to take care of our eyes. We need to love our eyes because eyes are the most expressive organ of the body. It's a window to the outside world. And any event happening to the eyes, it will ruin your life. Infections are a very commonly encountered clinical conditions which we see in our clinical practice. Hence, we need to take care of infections. If these infections of eye are not addressed at an early stage, it may eventually lead to complete loss of the eye. Hence, infection is very, very important and it needs to be identified. And once we identify the infection, we need to treat these infections with appropriate antibiotics. As we need certain antibiotics which we can administer with less frequency and has a broader spectrum of action, and it can cover all the organisms like the bacterial organisms from gram positive, gram negative, and all the organisms. So is such type of topical antibiotic drops is the need of the day. And this is possible now with the help of this next generation moxifloxacin, which is coming out for the patients and for the infection purpose. This drug can be administered twice daily, and it has a very broad spectrum, and it covers a lot of organisms, and the patient's response is excellent. Hence, it is very important whenever we see an infection in your day-to-day practice, like these infections are manifested by eye redness, eye discharge, itching, foreign body sensation. Whenever you see these type of symptoms, you need to immediately consult the local ophthalmologist, and the ophthalmologist, when they see, they have to prescribe these antibiotic drops. And if you prescribe these antibiotic drops at an early stage, is the patient's response will be good. The infection which will lead to greater complications can be reduced if it is treated early. So with these few words, I would like to thank Lupin for giving me this opportunity to speak on eye infections. And I suggest you, all of you, to take good care of your eyes. And whenever you have any problem, never use over-the-counter drugs. Please consult the local ophthalmologist and identify what is the problem and accordingly needs to be treated. Thank you very much for your kind attention.